Hello everyone. Today we are going to see man-made materials part 2. Before we proceed to part 2, students are requested to see man-made materials part 1. Let us see what is glass and how glass is manufactured. We use the glass material on a large scale in our daily life. There is a small story how glass was discovered. Phoenicia is a place. The traders there were called as Phoenician traders. These Phoenician traders were cooking in desert. The cooking vessels were supported on limestones. When the cooking vessels was kept off the limestone, they observed that a transparent material has been formed. They thought that this transparent material maybe has formed due to heating together of sand and limestone. This led to the development of technique of glass production. Therefore, for glass production, mixture of sand, soda, lime and small quantity of magnesium oxide is heated in furnace. Sand, that is silicon dioxide, melts at 1700 degrees Celsius so as to melt the mixture at low temperature. Pieces of discarded glass are added to it. Due to this, mixture melts at 850 degrees Celsius. Once all the ingredients of mixture are liquefied, it is heated up to 1500 degrees Celsius and immediately cooled. Due to sudden cooling, the mixture becomes homogeneous, amorphous and transparent instead of crystalline. In this way, the glass is formed. In the image you can see there are three stages. First, in the furnace, the raw material is melted, that is at a huge temperature. The raw material, that is sand, soda, lime and small quantity of magnesium, this all is heated in that furnace. Then the molten glass comes out of it, which you can see in the second box. Then from the roller, again when the molten glass is further sent to the next block, it is turned into glass strips and there is a cutter which cuts it in the glass strips. Properties of glass. First, on heating, glass becomes soft and can be molded into any shape. Second, density of glass depends upon its ingredients. Third, glass is slow conductor of heat. On quick heating of cool glass or on quick cooling of hot glass, it cracks or breaks. Being a bad conductor of electricity, glass is used as insulator in electrical appliances. Being transparent, most of the light passes through the glass. Let us see some different types of glasses. The first type of glass is silica glass. This is produced by using the silica. Items made up of silica glass show minimum expansion on heating. It is not affected by acid and alkali. Due to this, silica glass is used to produce laboratory glasswares. The second one is borosilicate glass. Borosilicate glass is produced by melting the mixture of sand, soda, boric acid and aluminium oxide. This glass does not show any effect on medicines. Hence, the bottles made up of borosilicate glass are used in pharmaceutical industries to store the medicine, as you can see in the image. The third type is alkali silicate glass. Alkali silicate glass is produced by heating the mixture of sand and soda. As this glass is soluble in water, it is called as water glass. The fourth one is lead glass. Lead glass is produced by melting the mixture of sand, soda, limestone and lead oxide. Being very clear and transparent, it is used in manufacturing of light bulbs, tubes, etc. Fifth one is optical glass. Optical glass is produced from the mixture of sand, soda, limestone, barium oxide and boron. This type of pure glass is useful in production of spectacles, lenses, microscope lens, etc. Sixth one is colored glass. Soda lime glass is colorless. So as to impart a desired color, oxide of specific metal is mixed during manufacturing process. Example, ferrous oxide is mixed to get bluish green glass and copper oxide to get red glass. Seventh type is processed glass. So as to improve the quality and utility, some processing is performed on glass and various types like reinforced glass, plain glass, fiber glass, fen glass, translucent glass, etc. are produced. Summary. We studied what is plastic and properties of plastic. Then we studied types and uses of the plastic. Then we understood what are the ill effects of plastic on environment. Then we understood about thermocol and how it is made. Then we understood glass and the production of glass. Then we saw properties of glass and what are different types of glass and uses of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.